Hello everyone, I am Dr. P. Jayabal, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Gobi Arts and Science College, Gobi Chettipalayam. Now we are going to talk about working of heat engines, especially internal combustion engines. What is an engine? An engine is nothing but a machine or a device with moving parts that converts power into motion. Or an engine is a machine designed to convert one form of energy into mechanical energy. What is heat engine? In thermodynamics and engineering, a heat engine is a system that converts heat or thermal energy into mechanical energy, which can then be used to do mechanical work. It does this by bringing a working substance from a high temperature state to a lower temperature state. In heat engines, the working substance undergoing a cyclic process. What is an internal combustion engine? Heat engine in which the combustion of a fuel occurs in a closed environment, that is inside the combustion chamber, is called internal combustion engine. These internal combustion engines are the most common form of heat engines. In this case, the engine which generates motive power by the burning of petrol, oil or other fuel with air inside the engine. After burning, the hot gases produced being used to drive a piston or to do other work as they expand. Examples for internal combustion engines are petrol engine, diesel engine, etc. Parts of an internal combustion engine. The diagram of 4-stroke petrol and diesel engine are shown here. The first one located left side is petrol engine and the right one is diesel engine. The important parts of these two engines are air intake valve, spark plug for petrol engine and fuel injector for diesel engine, exhaust valve, piston, crankshaft, connecting rod or linear shaft. These are the common parts of the IC engines. Working of petrol engine. A stroke is the movement of a piston together with the associated process. While an engine is in operation, the crankshaft rotates continuously at a nearly constant speed. The process is the number 1 intake or charging stroke. The mixture of petrol vapors and the air enters the cylinder, the piston moves down. The number 2 compression stroke. The inlet valve closes and the piston moves up. The mixture is compressed to a high pressure and the temperature rises to about 500 degrees Celsius. The third one is working or power stroke. A spark is produced at the sparking plug and the compressed mixture of petrol and air ignites. The temperature rises to about 2000 degrees centigrade and the high pressure of about 15 atmosphere is developed inside the cylinder. The piston is pushed down and the shaft rotates. Fourth one is exhaust stroke. The outlet valve opens and the unburnt and burnt gases are exhausted out to the atmosphere. The cycle repeats and the engine works. Working of diesel engine. The working of diesel engine is just like a petrol engine with a slight modification. The process is the number 1 intake or charging stroke. During this stroke, the air only enters the cylinder, the piston moves down. The number 2 is compression stroke. The inlet valve closes and the piston moves up. The air is compressed to a high pressure of about 40 atmosphere and the temperature rises to about 1000 degrees Celsius. At this stage, the diesel vapor is sprayed into the cylinder and burns immediately. The temperature reaches about 2000 degrees Celsius. The third one is working or power stroke. In this stroke, the mixture expands adiabatically and the piston moves or pushed down and the shaft rotates. The final one is exhaust stroke. During this stroke, the outlet valve opens and the burnt and unburnt gases are exhausted out to the atmosphere. The cycle repeats, the diesel engine works. Thank you.